Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about dropslanguage.com, or you can say this is a platform where you can learn different kinds of language very easily. So you should use this platform or not, and what are the major problems, it is legit or it's a scam. So in this video we will provide you lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this platform is approx 8 years from now, and they are available on internet from last 8 years, and they have like one app on Android, and they have one app on, you can say, Play Store. So this is a very best part, okay. And if we talk about you can say if you are going to use this platform, the best part of this platform is like you can learn any language with you can say related to lots of example they are providing you as a games, okay, or as a fun. You can learn any language, okay. So if we talk about you should buy any, you can say offers on this platform or not. So basically you can purchase any, you can say you can say subscription on this platform. There is no problem, but the problem is like if you are not going to cancel your subscription, you can say if you are not going to use their services, if you don't want, you can say if you are not going to use their services, you need to cancel your subscription, otherwise they will charge you, okay. And if we talk about you should use or not, it depends on you. If you have so much money, then you can try it, otherwise you can avoid. So you can see like you need to pay like 3,600 rupees for yearly, and this is a little bit highly cost. So if you have money, then you can try it, otherwise you can avoid, because they have reviews on, you can select Trustpilot, and all the reviews are complaining for only for subscription, you can select model, okay. There is no other issue. The only issue is like you can say subscription model. You need to pay some kind of fees for subscription. If you don't, if you are not going to use their service, you need to cancel your subscription, okay. So this is the only problem. And if we talk about you should buy or not, it depends on you. If you have money, then you can try it, and you can also share your experience in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, okay. And if you are going to use their premium services, in the premium service you will get like unlimited time and free ad free, you can experience, and you can also learn offline, you can also use offline modes, and you will assess your all the content, and exclusively gameplays also they are providing you in the premium feature. And if you are going to use their premium feature, they will provide you very easy method to learn any kind of language, okay. So this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.